All right, here we go. Magic Ace. Doing an NT baseball box. He's got the Yankees. And the other 29 teams. Mm-hmm. What did he hit with him? Last week or whatever it was. 2 weeks ago. I think he hit a Garrick as well. And a Mantle. To 99, Dylan C. 7-piece. Albert Pujols to 99. I love the people who comment on the video afterwards saying, I sound like an idiot, I don't know who I'm talking about. I understand his name is Albert Pujols, okay? It's called personality. 99, Kettle Marte. The 25, Johnny Bench. Okay, we got a rookie Sigs next. To 99, Isan Diaz. This is a weird box so far. And then you have another rookie Sigs to 99, Anthony K. Next to 99, Travis Demeritte, rookie patch auto. Next, 19 of 99, Kevin Biggio. It's pronounced pool hose. And 4 of 10, cut signature materials. 19-time All-Star Cal Ripken Jr. Ace. Definitely a savior of the box. Not completely saved, but like I'm glad that was not like a jockstrap auto to 10,000 of, you know, Sheldon Noyce. So, Ace, there you have it, brother.